It's buttery. Lasang bulalo, lasang sisig at the same time. Hindi ko itong pinakamasarap. Cheers! Lambot! The only thing I don't like about it is matamis yung timpla. I'm not a fan of sweetened cooking. Ubus naman namin yung pagkain. But after further digging into the meal, hindi masarap. I would rate my bulalo steak a 3 out of 10. Yes, it's tender, pero kulang siya sa lasa. The flavor was there, but it was lacking. I had to put patis several times. And mind you, I don't like meals that are too salty. So for me to want additional salt in it speaks volumes of how matabang the food is. Yung pinakamasarap na na-try ko was the beef Paris, but it also wasn't as good. I'd give it 6.5 out of 10. Mas masarap siya, but I don't know, maybe it's just my taste. Maybe for other people, it works for them, but for me, not really a big fan of it. So yun, try nyo pa rin. Baka appreciate ninyo itong place na to. But personally, it would take a long time before I come back. Yun lang.